ever be too biased when you're day trading, bro. Let me show you some trades I probably would have took if I had some money. If you guys look over here, market's pretty bullish over here in market. This is the hour chart on QQQ. This is what the SPY. We're pretty bullish. So I figured, hey, we may be up. However, the one thing I didn't like as well on this chart is that, as you can see, we had this pretty big wick. I'm not too familiar on fair value gaps and liquidity sweeps, but wick this big, I would think we would probably come down to sweep it. Again, I'm not sure much about fair value and liquidity sweeps, but I do like to be knowledgeable. Not just strategy sweeps, but I do like to be knowledgeable about things that I could be looking out for. With that being said, because we had this big wick over here, I thought maybe we would have started the open of the market down instead of up. Because of that, I took this trade here on SPY, as well as this trade here on Qs. Neither one of those trades worked out. Unfortunately, I was too biased for me to realize that we were still making higher lows and we were going up. This is completely on me. And another thing, I actually missed out on the trades that I was supposed to take. You know, trades that followed my strategy a little bit better than what the two trades I did take. Don't get me wrong, I still didn't live trade today, but after those two trades didn't work out, I told myself if I was live trading, I would call it a day right here. I would take these two losses and walk away. And because of that, still good that I would have walked away, but I literally had two entry signals here. So I had an entry here on this candle, and an entry here on this candle. This is QQQ. And both trades would have worked out great. Look at this. This would have been a beautiful trade. And I know probably some of you guys are wondering, but would you have held through all that? I at least would have got to this white line. And if I probably would have got up here, if I'm being honest. I would have got to at least the white line, or would have got to that zone up there. Either way, that would have been a great trade. Would have been a great day. If I caught either one of those, but it's all right. But I can say that if I did hang around the market a little bit longer and didn't decide to walk away after the first two trades, I actually would have took this one, and this one would have worked out. So, not something that would have made up the money I probably would have lost today. Maybe, maybe not. But hey, decent trade, you know. Really just taking this time while I'm off live trading to practice my entries, practice how aggressive I can be on some, how not aggressive I can be on some, you know, what times and what factors and conditions do I need to look at before I get out of a trade, before it follows all the way through, or so it just follow all the way through on most of my trades, So yeah, decent timing. Today would have been a good day as long as I wasn't too biased. Maybe I do need to get sleep.